Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family, or if you're new here, welcome. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. If you're new here, what we do on this channel is I take the work out of finding a remote work from home job for you. I simply scan all of the job boards and spend the time looking for the best remote jobs that are hiring right now, trying to weed through the scams, and I bring you just the best of the best that I can find on a daily basis, Monday through Friday. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on. And as always, if you're looking for links to all these pages that I'm sharing, if you want to read reviews on the company, put those applications in. Or if you're looking for timestamps, if one is not for you and you want to skip ahead to the next job lead, all that information is always in the YouTube description box below this video. We are not wasting any more time today because we have quite a few non-phone jobs, responding to emails, creating documentations. We have part-time, we have full-time. I even threw in some regular phone customer service in here. Hopefully we have a mixed bag, a little bit of something for everyone. But first up, we have the Everyday Health Group. They have 362 reviews from past and current employees on Glassdoor, an overall high employee satisfaction rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a part-time customer care specialist. This is going to be remote for the United States, and this is going to be responding to emails. Now, real quickly, Everyday Health Group owns the Lose It app. I don't know if you are familiar with like the fitness and weight loss industry, but if you've ever been on Reddit or ever researched weight loss, how to lose weight, how to get fit, all of those things, Lord knows, raise hand. I have the COVID-15, COVID-25, we all learned that we can eat more and not move than we thought we could. But the Lose It app is basically an app people use to watch their diet and help them lose weight. It's basically a calorie tracking app. You can track things like your movement and exercise, how much water you're drinking. You can weigh your food on a food scale and input it into the app, tracking your nutrients, how much vitamin C you're getting, how much protein and carbs you're eating, all of the things. So it is a very popular app among people who are trying to lose weight or the fitness community. And so what Everyday Health, they own this app and they are hiring people to basically help with the app. Now, pay for this position is going to be anywhere from $18 an hour up to $22 an hour. Don't forget, this is a part-time, but you're going to interact with customers through an email ticketing system, which they use Zendesk for, because it's people who are asking questions or having issues with this Lose It app. You're going to work closely with the customer care team members to resolve customer issues and questions. So you're going to handle those customer support requests related to all aspects of the Lose It app, including app features and usage. They need to know like how to use it, so you'll do a little bit of tech support there, what the features are. They might have a feature request, account management, product subscriptions, purchasing refunds, and escalating cases. Now, the Lose It app has like a freemium model where you get some things for free, but then if you want other features, you have to subscribe or pay for those additional features. And so you're going to help with people's like payment, product subscriptions. Maybe they want to cancel their subscription, maybe they want to upgrade, things like that. And so you are going to get 30-hour training period, and in that period you're expected to send at least 10 emails per hour, focusing on fully answering customer inquiries in your first reply. They do schedule in 4-hour shifts, and they have flexible scheduling after training. Now, as far as what they're looking for, no college degree or anything like that is needed. They just need somebody who is tech savvy. You don't need to know how to code or anything like that, but you do need to know how to use like apps, smart apps, smartphones, and navigate your way around a computer using like Google Docs, things like that. You've just got to be very comfortable with using technology, using mobile phones, mobile applications. You've got to have great written English skills, and you need to be available for team meetings. They happen on Tuesday morning in Eastern Standard Time. But now when they're looking for people to work, they really want somebody who will work some weekend days. Keeping it moving more in the tech non-phone space, we have a well-known company, Logitech, hiring. Logitech makes all kinds of tech gadgets from like webcams, keyboards, mouses, all the things. They have 1,200 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a technical support content specialist. And so this job is really going to be gauged around creating content that gives that technical support. So kind of like self-help documentation. So you're going to be creating documents. Not sure if you'll also have to create some kind of like videos or slideshows or anything. But when you are looking for tech support, I know the Apple website does this well, where you look for a question. A lot of times when you go to the FAQs or even when you go to the help support page to look up the phone number, there's a little box and it says, what can we help you with? And if you start typing in a question, things come up, and it is articles that you can read from the company on how to use their products or how to solve well-known issues that come up with their products. And sometimes it's not just an article. Sometimes it's text with images showing you where to click, what to do. Sometimes it's videos showing you how to do it. That is what this job is creating that documentation that will be featured on their website and stuff for people to go read and watch and help themselves. So you're developing this tech support content for Logitech's video conferencing products, ensuring high levels of clarity and user friendliness. So if you're thinking video conferencing products, maybe they have a software that you use, their webcams come to mind in particular. So you're going to collaborate with support, product, and marketing teams, just making sure that you execute the overall content vision for the tech support website, helping manage the organization and updates and improvement to the tech support website, just assisting with any projects as needed. Now, they are looking for somebody who has 3 years of professional experience creating some kind of support documentation, somebody who has worked 2 years in some kind of tech support, someone who knowledge of common business technologies like using video conferencing systems or audio video equipment. So if you've ever worked from home before, you're probably familiar with using like Zoom, WebEx, things like that for meetings, webcams, cameras built into your laptops, different types of cameras. Heck, there's even FaceTime on iPhone. I think we are all familiar with some kind of audio video conferencing device at this point. Now, they do prefer somebody who has a little bit of web content coding like HTML, but it's not required. And pay for this position is very high. It's anywhere from $71,500 a year up to $101,000 a year. That $101,000 is going to be a little over $1,900 a week. Next up, we have the company Bonterra hiring. They have 226 reviews, an overall rating of 3.1 out of 5 stars. And they are hiring a contact center representative. Now, this one is a little unique because half your time you're going to be on the phone and the other half of your time you're going to be answering emails. So like this is a full-time 40-hour per week job. 20 hours per week you'll be taking phone calls and doing phone support, and then other 20 hours you're going to be doing email support. So with that being said, if you don't mind some phone work but you don't want to spend your whole week on the phone, this is that great in between. So it does say you'll be responding to inquiries submitted to the support team through phone and email, and you're going to spend approximately 20 hours per week providing each type of support, just assisting agents when required, monitoring program deadlines for the clients, just providing timely and accurate resolution to all email support requests that come in with the prescribed service level agreement. So they're going to give you like job aids to go by. So you're just helping make sure that all cases are properly executed and escalated up when needed. They are looking for somebody who has at least 1 year of some kind of customer support experience, someone who has great customer service skills, great communication skills, great attention to detail, and can work in that fast-paced environment. You've got to be able to learn and be coached quickly, like pick up on things quickly, just have great problem-solving or conflict resolution skills. They have several different shifts they're looking for. They're looking for an 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. or a 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. or an 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. So they do have multiple different shifts available. Pay for this position is anywhere from $45,000 a year up to $55,000 a year. Now there's 52 weeks in a year, so $55,000 is a little over $1,000 a week. But for those of you who don't mind complete phone support customer service, I had to throw this one in there. Home Chef, the home delivery food kit service that is part of Kroger, owned by Kroger. They have 292 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer experience associate. Now, you'll be working directly with customers through all of their mediums, which is going to be phone, chat, and email. This is a full-time job, but they're looking for somebody to work 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. in the Central Standard Time Zone. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. But you're just going to be assisting customers with their Home Chef experience over all those different channels, addressing and solving any issues that come up, mainly through their live channels. You're going to build trust with the customers and help calmly and professionally handle their concerns and get them a quick resolution. So maybe they're having issues placing orders, maybe their order didn't show up, maybe they want to cancel their subscription, just any issues that the customer has with their subscription to Home Chef or trying to sign up or pick out their products, you're going to help them with. So you're really just going to put yourself in the customer's shoes, identify their needs, and be their advocate. Now, they only require a high school diploma or GED and 1 year of customer service. You've got to be kind of tech savvy, knowing how to navigate online tools and systems, have great communication skills, and be a problem solver. Pay for this one is going to be $17.50 an hour. Keeping it moving, though, next up we have Sharecare coming in at 818 reviews, an overall rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a forms completion specialist. This is remote for the United States. And they just posted this yesterday, although I've shared a position from them like this in the past. So either they're rehiring or they're expanding and hiring more. But they're really looking for somebody to complete disability and FMLA forms in a timely and efficient manner. So Sharecare is a healthcare company. And so you are really going to be making sure all these forms are filled out by the industry standard, just completing the forms. You might have to communicate by email or telephone with patients and doctors to get information you need to fill out these disability forms or FMLA paperwork for the patients. You'll have a strong understanding of like medical terminology. You'll have to be great with pulling patients' electronic medical records to get a lot of this information and just abiding by HIPAA standards and guidelines. So basically, the patient needs like an FMLA form filled out for work so that they can apply for FMLA at work, or if they're trying to apply for disability. So you can't just apply for that stuff on your own. You do have to have medical documentation from your doctor. And so most of the time, patients will give the doctor's office a form and the doctor's office will need to fill it out. So that's what you're going to be doing, is just taking all the patient's medical information to complete these forms. You will have to complete the forms within 5 to 7 days. It only requires 1 year of experience in some kind of medical records department or some kind of like setting. So if you've had experience in like a medical setting before, administrative, front desk, things like that, you've got to have great communication skills, great critical thinking skills, and be able to type at least 50 words per minute. Now, unfortunately, Sharecare did not list their actual pay in the job description. That'll need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. But of course, I did a little digging, and it looks like 5 different people have worked as a forms completion specialist for Sharecare in the past and given Glassdoor their salary. Pay is anywhere from $45,000 a year up to $70,000 a year as an estimate. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I read those and keep that in mind, although I can never make any promises. If you enjoyed any of these job leads, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.